Hunong Aikitian ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ba Roni Veling do Baderu MLA Kamaliam Constituency mental siul ang mga party kan aga Kyrshan hakabede baga jingiakhih ka Voice of the People Party halo ka jingshaweng kam jubor language ke officer ka Meghalaya loka yukta habak ranch kilap thai kubor hakan opai si khandai trek kalaling kal ajar saw uba Roni uloong ba ladadan kanu ke issue ka bakta ka jela ka party kan aibet ka Kyrshan.
The Lokayukta was set up during the Congress MUA government to ensure that there is transparency, there is the rule of law, and ensure that people can air their grievances to the Lokayukta. We implement it. We ensure that we have the Lokayukta.
No, what about the protest of the VPP? Do you support it?
Yeah, why not? Why not? Yeah, we support. If there's any issue concerning the interests of the state, we will always be with any party or any group that fights for justice. Nyay, we are talking about justice here. Nyay Yatra, Bharat Joro Nyay Yatra.
So what do you think the government
Yet to get the exact reason why they were removed. We will have to find out why they were removed, because even members of the Lokayukta are human beings after all. Maybe they must have done something. We will find out. And if there was no reason, if for no reason they were removed, then we will also insist that they be reinstated. But we have to find out.